See you in the next
did you
video.
finish reading the poem Amanda for today's discussion?
Oh, yes, I loved it. Amanda reminds me of my cousin who's always daydreaming.
Ria, you're the one who keeps zoning out in class. Maybe you're Amanda.
Let's not turn this into a roast. Let's focus. So, what do you think the poem is really about?
The poem is about a young girl, Amanda, who's constantly nagged by her parent. It captures the conflict between parental authority and a child's desire for freedom.
Exactly. Amanda escapes into her imagination every time she's scolded. That's why the poem alternates between her parents' commands and Amanda's dreamy responses.
It's written in free verse, which makes the tone feel conversational and relatable.
I loved Amanda's fantasies. First, she imagines herself as a mermaid swimming peacefully in the sea.
That's her way of craving solitude and calmness, away from the constant nagging.
Then she dreams of being an orphan. It's sad but also powerful. She wants independence so badly that she imagines being without her parents.
And finally, she sees herself as Rapunzel, living alone in a tower without anyone to disturb her. She even rejects the idea of a prince, emphasizing her longing for complete isolation.
The poem's tone is a mix of annoyance and wistfulness. The parent's voice is nagging and harsh, while Amanda's thoughts are soft and dreamy. The poet uses contrast brilliantly. Reality is strict and suffocating, while Amanda's imagination is free and serene.
There's also irony. The parent thinks they're raising Amanda well, but their constant criticism is pushing her to escape mentally.
And don't forget the poetic devices. Alliteration, like stop that slouching and stop sulking. Imagery, Amanda's fantasies create vivid pictures of the sea, the orphan's freedom, and the tower. Repetition, the repeated scolding mimics the relentless nagging she faces.
The poem really highlights the impact of excessive control on children. It's a reminder to parents to let their kids breathe and be themselves.
Yes, it's about balance. Discipline is important, but so is understanding and freedom.
Amanda's story also shows the power of imagination as a coping mechanism. Even when she feels trapped, her mind gives her an escape.
And that's something we all can learn. Imagination can be a great way to handle stress, but we should also address the issues causing it.
That was such a relatable poem. I can see parts of Amanda in all of us.
Totally. I'm going to share this with my parents. They need to understand Amanda's perspective too.
What about you, guys? Did Amanda's story remind you of your own childhood?
If you enjoyed this discussion, make sure to like the video and share it with your friends.
And don't forget to subscribe to the Eloquent Explorers for more engaging takes on literature.
See you in the next video.